Guys, I was just minding my business when a particular video popped out on my timeline. A legend on stage, a missing t-shirt, too much confidence, and to top it off, he struggled to get up. Oh my god, and the comments were not kind at all. If Ushabeshe doesn't come out of the jail, he will be replaced. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, guys. Before that, hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. Today's story, it's about a legend, but also about a moment that made the internet scream. Let's talk about singer Mdu Masilela. Ukhotman Mdu. What a nice chocolate man, right? This man is aging like fine wine. Mdu was performing live. Crowd was vibing. Ilondo Senchba, this man still has his groove on. Akaphelelwanga. Then suddenly, boom, Mdu said, you know what? Let me take this shirt off. Let me see what's gonna happen if I take my shirt off. Let me give them Ushabeshe while he's still locked up. The t-shirt guys left the building and Mdu started dancing like it was 1999. No fear, no shame, full confidence. I'm not making this up. Watch for yourself. Is that the time has passed. Gravity has done its thing. The body is no longer in its prime era. Oh, Benbamba Mazinho. My worry is a young heart attack on that stage, because I noticed also that Uncle Mdu seemed to struggle to get back up. Guys, did you see that? What a moment. What a moment, Budwam. Okay, and the internet did what it does best. The comments were flying like popcorn. This one said, I can't wait to be 50 and start embarrassing my kids on TikTok. Never took off shirts back in his day, and Malume thought now it's time. Nangumdu esibukisa ngama 2K. Not a single song of his requires his shirt to be off. That shirt wasn't supposed to be taken off. Kuvele kwa mosheka. Owethu baba kaNomsani menzani. The way I laughed, I almost peed myself. Now listen, was it embarrassing? Maybe a little bit, ne? But was it funny? Wihlekisa shem. Mdu clearly said, you know what? I'm old, I'm free, I will dance, my body, my rules. And honestly, that really takes guts, guys. Old man still has it, okay? So yes, the moment went viral. Yes, people laughed. Yes, the comments were brutal. But at the end of the day, Mdu is still a legend. Hits don't age, music doesn't wrinkle, and confidence, that one has no expiry date, honey. What do you guys think? Was Mdu too much for you, or should people let legends leave? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next gossip story. Thank you for watching. Bye.